Welcome to the Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 Episode 5. Adom butaram na okchari agi ming tenjing pukrambam ngasi miyam na yingbiriba si Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 Episode 5 ni. This episode is specially brought to you by Lamjingba Youth Development Association, Yairipok, Angtha and Impact TV. Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 asida akoigi punna team kuntarek na saruk yari team kuntarek asi akoina pool mapan thokna khaidoktuna makoigi quiz contest asi pangthok jagadori. Pool mapan asi pool A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I ni. Aduga first round asida pool mapan asigi akoi competition adu chatha jagadori. Hoji round 1 gi makha chatharak po ina episode 5 asida ngasi team ahum akoi gi studio asida langsinduna leire team A, B amasung C. Akoi gi team A da leijare Little Flower School Sangai Pro A gi team, aduga team B dana St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School Sangai Pro, aduga team C dana Lamjing Maira Sindam Sang Phorabi. Okay, so all the best team A, B and C. Haiba pool ngasigi pool E gi episode 5 to pool E gi team A, B, C asina winner ama khallaga sidagi second round qualify tawgadori ni. Aduga second round karigumba semi final asida qualify tawba taragadi koi last round haibadi third round asida changduna koi gi final winner oiba yabagi team manisigi ahum sidagi manung sidagi oibasu yaribani. Aduna yam munna tabiraga yam checksiona khumbiyu. And we have a lot of exciting prizes for the winner, cash award, citation, and also lots of other prizes. Aduga team dudagi akoina top scorer khallaga top scorer dugi yamna akhanaba prize kaya amasu thamjari. Aduna makha quiz ase chathadringai maoina na akoigi team singda akoigi tawgadoriba quiz asigi round sing adu chawrakpa samlapna haijage. Team A, B, C akoi ngasigi quiz contest asi round manga thokna khaidokchei. Round manga asi first round da general awareness round haiduna first round se account opening round haina sukhangi. Aduga second round dana home round haiba home round sida de akoi Manipur the base to question sing ayamba hangani. Aduga third round dana audio and visual round, audio gi round ama aduga visual sing utlaga answer khumbagi round ama khaka. Aduga fourth round dana that is the buzzer round. Buzzer round dana akoi fourth round legani. Aduga fifth and the last round is current affairs and IT round. Current affairs and IT round duna aroibu oina adudagi akoina top scorer akoi team duda khwaidagi yamna score tobu team duna ngasigi episode asigi winner ogidorni. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start, team A, B amsung C isa gi mingne leifamne aduga standard category standard ta lebirage habdo hapet charakpa khoi gi viewers singda masak tak poina tanja du lojage. Team A dagi hobisi.
Hi everyone, I'm Chunu. Currently studying in the Flower School in 10th standard, and I'm from Yairipok, Sawantingo. Thank you.
I'm Juveni Ahibam of Senior Maimoto Samlaka, and I'm studying in 10th standard. Thank you.
Team B.
I'm Gabriel Thosum, studying in class 9 St. Joseph's School. I live in Morakum, Sawajimer.
Hi, I'm Dakito Sarangtiam from Tagolban Kalamnarak. I'm studying in class 9 standard.
Okay, team C.
Hello, I am Renjang Kom. My standard is 7 at Lamjing. Thank you.
I am Malingambi from Haikakwan Makalaikai. My standard is 7. Thank you.
Okay. Aduna team sing thank you so much. Isa gi ming leifam takpi bugi damakta aduga yam relax oina go pakatana leyo na haijage kay yam pakat pasu mali pakatana yam relax oina yam kaya tare yam punging phada biraga pakatana isana munna khallaga question sing munna tabiraga answer do pibiu ko. Aduna mathangi akoigi first round se hongnana ba tawjarage akoi aduna screen sida akoina first round adugi question sing ahanba general awareness round haireba question sing to akoi khanna ba option sing adu leirani. Aduna adugi mangjana akoina rules and regulations hapet team sing da haijaramge yam munna tabiu. First round haireba di general awareness round hairiba round ase akoina account opening haina sai ko isagi team khudingmakki account the score tahongna bagi chance pibu oina akoigi hairiba first round asida chance ani pigani team khudingmakta ahan bagi chance aduda karigumba chumna khumbirak pataragadi team aduda akoina 10 points direct oina pijagani. Aduga karigumba ahan bagi chance aduda lan khiba taragasu akoigi ani suba chance ama leiri ani suba chance tuda chumna khumbirak pataragana akoi ani suba chance tugi oina 5 points team adu da pijagani. Aduga hairiba question adu pass laite piriba question adu team dudagi oina adum allot tawjagani ko aduna hojik yabire ko rules se yare ko adoi taragadi akhoi hoba yaraba. Okay, the first round, that is general awareness round. Team A dagi hojage team A screen da option mari thokna leire 1 2 3 and 4 haiba option mari sidagi ama khanbi duna isagi question khanbi. Okay, question number 3, team A no question number 3 choose to be your question is, which of the following is an arboreal animal? 10 seconds count ogani 10 seconds manung da khumbiyo. Your countdown starts now. Which of the following is an arboreal animal? Okay, frog haiba neba. Okay, haiba option is lali duna ahan chance adu lalabani na mathangi second chance amung pizage second chance se amuna khanbiu. Your countdown starts now. C. Okay, let's check the answer. That is C. Okay, it is right answer. Aduna yam chumna khumbire anirak suba chance sida ihan hanjabada aina haigada arboreal animal habdi kuigi living in the trees ko tree da upanbi da laiba animal haibani duna aina hana arthaje haidoki batara yam laina khangdoroba option dagi natra and arboreal animal have the trees. Option C monkey do yam chumna khumbire. So team A will get the bonus point of 5 marks. Duna mathangi team B do ina lakchage team B lemhoriba option 1 2 and 4 ama khanbi. Question number 2. Okay, team B na question number 2 khanbi. So your question is, what are cyclones called in America? Option A hurricane, option B typhoon, option C tornado, and option D cyclone. Your countdown starts now.
Hurricane.
Option A hurricane. Okay, let's check the answer. Okay, it is correct. Aduna team B ne am chumna khumbire am athuba matamda team B gi direct marks have the 10 points adu to team B da allot tawjagani. Aduna mathangi team C, the option left are 1 and 4. Question number khanbiu.
4.
Question number 4. So your question is, the enzyme that can digest fats is option A amylase, option B is lipase, option C is pepsin, and option D is hydrolase. So your countdown starts now.
A.
Option A. Option A can be. So let's check the answer. Okay, this is wrong. I have a chance to do lan kre aduna mathangi chance amamuk leire aduna amuna khanbiraga habiu. Your countdown will start now.
B.
Option
B.
B. Okay. Option B can be. Let's check the answer. Okay, option B, it is correct. Lipase. Lipase hariba kogi fat digesting enzyme. Asi koina kanaba hadi koina am hauna chariba papaya or walnut sing atay sing fruit sing da yam phangin hai ko fat digest tawba hakchang phawda yamna kanaba duguma enzyme ma khangi. Team C na anirak suba chance ta chumna khumbiduna team C gi bonus points adu pibi gani. Aduna first round asi matang si lotion jare. Round 2 do na makha chatharasi. Round 2 asi akoina home round haina ming thonjai. Home round haibase akogi Manipur da base tawba question sing oina hangjagani. Handakti akogi option sing yaudbi da direct questions oina hangani. Aduna team do da hangiba direct question adu da chumna khumbirak pataragadi akoina 10 marks bijagani. Aduga karigumba khumba ngam haudragana akoina next team adu da akoina pass on tawduna passed on question do da karigumba correct answer khumbirak pataragana 5 points allot tawjagani. Aduna akogi question se munna taraba matungda aina question hek pathokpa loibuga countdown start tawgani. Countdown start tawriba akogi 10 seconds tugi manungda answer se khumbirak na ba team sing dena ningsing jari. Aduna hoba yare ko. Option 1 2 3 and 4 laire ai team B dagi hojage. Team B, please choose your question. Question number 3 can be. Question number 3 ni team B gi. Your question is, Khuga Dam is located in which district of Manipur? Your countdown starts now. Khuga Dam Manipur gi karamba district ta locate tawge karam district ta laige ana hangmani. Okay, your time is up. So, chak manaba question, the same question okay team C the pass tau jagi team C. Your countdown will start now.
Bishnupur.
Bishnupur is not the right answer. Aduna akoigi mathangi team A do in a pass tau jagi team A the same question countdown how gre aduna kumbi bayani. Churchandpur. Okay, so let's Churchandpur team A na Churchandpur kumbi yam submit Churchandpur na adu karamba mafam na no khangbi bra Churchandpur gi.
Mata.
Okay, Mata in Churchandpur district. I'm from the district hangmani na Churchandpur district ni I'm from the kumbiri team A da koi bonus marks da dum pizarage. Aduga next question akogi team C do ina lage direct question for team C. So please choose your question.
2.
Question number 2 can be team C na. Your question is, which place is called the rice basket of Manipur? So your countdown will start now. Manipur ki karam mampam rice basket hai na khangna gen hang mani Manipur ki karam mampam. Okay, team C na 10 seconds manung da khumbangam khidire to kana aduna khoi question asi team A da pass tau jage team A. Your countdown will start now. Kakching. Okay, team A Little Flower School Sangai Pro A ki team asina question number 2 ki answer se yam chumna khumbire rice basket of Manipur is Kakching. So we'll allot the bonus marks to team A. Aduna mathangi question asi so koina team A da adum direct questions adu team A gini aduna team A da lem horiba question number 1 and 4 gi manung da amma khan bina bani sije. Question number 1 can be team A na aduna team A question number 1. Let's see your question. So the question is, where is rubber grown in Manipur? Jiribam. Okay, yam athuba matamda kumbire A countdown so hodringai da hai tare ko team A na aduna where is rubber grown in Manipur? The answer is Jiribam. So it is correct. Team A bo koi direct point ase allot taujagani aduna hojik second round home round asigi question direct question sing team ahum makta hangjakraba matungda akoina team sing adugi positions kari positions laibagi have the mayam puna score adu khangminasi team A B amsung C yam phajana khumbere isa gi accounts khunimak hangdoktuna hojik laikhrabani adubu akoi team A na di kitang khumgibagi mongdi lay adubu kanana kari position da laigi have the mayam puna khangminasi. Let's have the score on the screen. So here are the scores. Akoi team C Lamjing Meira Sindam Sang Horabigi team asina third position the 5 marks phangduna cheli aduga team B have the St Joseph Higher Secondary School Sangai Pro asina koigi 10 points phangduna second position the cheli aduga we have the leading team have the 25 points phangduna Little Flower School Sangai Pro A team asina lead tawduna hojik chathari adubo koigi mathangi round ahum have the third, fourth, and fifth round lairibana akoi team B ga C amasung A dagi su henba yabagi adumak chance yam lairi aduna yam munna tabiraga mathang sida hena phajana tawbina baningsing jari. So we have the third round, that is audio and visual round. Audio ga visual round asi akoina ahanbada audio gi round amakak tawjagani adu the question mari ngasai ga chap manana question isa gi khanbi duna audio maka play tawjarakani question dugi matung inna audio do play tawrba matung da audio da yam munna taraba matung da haibu audio duga mari leinaba koi question amaka team do da hangjagani aduna team duna 10 seconds manung da khumbirak patare 10 seconds manung da khumbirak patara gadi koina team dugi oina 10 points direct allot tawjagani aduga bonus questions have the pass on questions sing da koina marks 5 marks yani ko aduna koi audio gi round asi hojik howna da tawjarage audio gi round asida first option 1, 2, 3, 4 asi leijay aduna we'll start with team C. Team C dagi direct question asi hojage. Team C isagi question ama choose to be
2.
Team C na question number 2 choose to be re aduna audio play to be na ningsing jari yam munna tabi.
The long version is that I actually always had 5 rules. You don't need to be a bodybuilding champion, you don't need to want to be an action hero or anything like that. If you want to excel in whatever you do, those rules are for you. So my first rule is find your vision and follow it.
Music speech ama hai tare ko speech ama ka tabi kre team C na tabi speech adugi the question is who is the speaker hai the speech adu period adugi voice to kana gi voice no na hang mani your countdown will start now.
Sak muiba.
Sak muiba is not the answer, so your time is up. Aduna koi hairiba question asi chap manana team A the pass taubi batare team A. Your countdown will start now.
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama is also not the answer. Duna, you still have 2 more seconds. Okay, your time is up, so we'll pass on the question to team B. Team B, kang bi bataragadi your countdown will start now.
Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela, you still have 5 seconds lady ko. Adum haibirak pa yai. Okay, your time is up. Aduna team A, B amsung C ahumang na question ase khumang ngam kidamna akoigi let us have the answer on the screen. The correct answer is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Ko magi voice ni akoi film dasu ayam loin tabi khre duga speech ki voice to ni hojik masagi actor masa akoi ki am phawba dugumba leader amakak ni. The mathangi question is the direct question of team A. The lakchage team A ki direct question 1, 3, and 4 ki manung dama choose to be.
3.
Okay, question number 3 choose to be the A. Yam muna tabiro audio si. Music ta kare mayam na ko adu team A si da koi na hangjagodori ba si yamna maming chatlaba adugumba isai amakhaki audio ni adu haiba isai adugi singer adu kanano who is the singer of the song haiba aduna question ni your countdown will start now.
Linda.
Team A.
Linda.
Sorry to say Linda is not the correct answer.
Jenna.
No, your time is up. So same question of team B. The muglak chage team B. Your countdown will start now.
Rina. Rina.
Rina. Rina Arambam. Okay, it's not the answer. So so team C. Team C. The muglak chage.
Surma.
Surma. Matang try to when singer me am maming do na tra. Okay, the time is up. It's not the right answer. The right answer is Jita Sagol Sem. Adi okay gi huzik kenona music video album Manipuri music video album gi da tha phatri ba male ngarang na han da thoki ba dugumba music video amakhak ni akoi swai lawi haibra akoi gi kenoga balan ek to bi khiba dugumba video album khang ni the singer is Jita Sagol Sem. The mathangi direct question is team B. The lakchage team B 1 and 4 gi manung da makhan bi 4 kan biro audio yamun tabiro hanba leitana chatgani punsigi lambi kaya thangni aina khongtang akiba go bata dog laga somtang ki makhong na chatlo isai amakaki akoi audio tabi khare it is the same question hariba isai ojiki vocal tariba dugi kanagi vocal no the singer
Suren.
Okay, Suren. Yam chumna kumbire team B na aduna team B gi answer si akoi chumi the correct answer, so we'll give the direct points to team B. Suren gi voice ni hariba isai duna akoi gi run haiduna ngaran han thoke bagoi pretty yum nam Suren aduga Mizoram dagi akoi gi vocalist amakak ka tawgiba adugumba isai amakak ni suna matang asida akoi audio gi round asi losinjare team A B amsung C yam phazana tawbi aduna audio gi round asigi mathang da koina laksabana visual round aduni visual round asisu audio ga dum manai hariba visual round asidana akoina visual amakak utkani akoi it may be a picture, it may be a video hariba visual adugi matung inna koi related oiba question amakak hangjagani hariba question adugi answer adu 10 seconds manung the team khudim ang napibi gadabani. The marks allocation will be same as that before. Aduna visual round asige koi gi ahan ba question ase team A da lakchage team A 1 2 3 and 4 manung na choose to 4 choose to be. So let us have the visual on the screen. What is this moving stairs called, Heavenly?
Escalator.
Escalator. Okay. So let's have the answer on the screen. So it is correct. Escalator. Then the team A. Yamchumno kumbire A. Escalator is the correct answer. So we'll go to the next question for team B. Team B, please choose your question. Option 1. Name the type of joint that is shown in the figure. Let's start the countdown for team B.
Hinge joint.
Hinge joint is not the correct answer, so we'll pass on the question to team C. Team C, your countdown will start now.
Pivot joint.
Pivot joint. Okay, it is correct. So team C will get the bonus point of 5 marks. Pivot joint haiba joint asi amchumna kumbire khoi rotary joint hana jo khangna ba ko aduguma joint amakhak ni pivot joint. Aduga mathangi question asi team C gi direct question ni. Team C, please choose your question 2 ga 3 gi manung da makhan bi.
3.
3. Okay. So we have a picture, a figure. Aduna hariba question aduna karino haibam the identify the object haibani hariba object asi karino. Your countdown will start now. Yamunna yenga kumbiu.
JCB.
JCB. JCB is not the right answer. Aduna same question of team A the past of jage. Past. Okay, team B. Okay, your time is up. The correct answer for the question is, so let's have it on the screen. The answer is excavator. Ko akoina JCB haina adum haina gibdo adune JCB man bagi wani ko JCB hariba ming asidi oi company gi maming ni haitare ko gi excavators hariba earth se excavate tauba yai haiduna adugi machine du ko ni excavator haina ko bani adugi machine du gi maming excavator ni JCB is the name of the company. Akoina toothpaste akoina colgate haina bagi type tani ko chamane ko adu JCB haina ri je ana. Okay, so that was all for the audio and visual round. Team A, B, and C. Before we get on to the next round, let's have the score on the screen once again. Team A, B, and C. Who's the current position? The lagi hado mayam put na kangmin asi. And then audio ga visual round asi am phazana team A, B, and C na kumbiki. And then makoi gi position. Kanana kadai the lagi hado. Let's see. So we have the score on the screen. Okay, position sing budi chap mane dubu score se hena score to ki okay team C na 5 marks add to shalaga koi 10 points pangduna third position the lairi du team B koi 20 marks 20 points pangduna koi second position the lairi aduga team A is still leading with 35 points. Aduna mathangi round buzzer round amasung fifth round lairi aduna we still don't know what will happen. Kanana winner or any have the khangde adubu mathangi round asi lakchingai gi mawinana. Let's have a short break. So be seated. We'll be right back. Break matung da amuka hana maya mutaram no okchari domna yengbi bas Brainwave quiz 2019 season 1 gi episode 5 ni haiba team A B amusung C. Team A dana koi Little Flower School Sangai Pro A aduga team B dana St Joseph Higher Secondary School Sangai Pro aduga team C dana Lamjing Maira Sindamsang Phaurabi gi team A na lead tawduna team B na second position amusung team C na third position da laiduna hojik mak moigi score gi phibam first, second, third adugi position da lairi mathang tarak pada akoina lakadoriba round asina round 4 da buzzer round aduga round 5th na akoi current affairs and IT round asini aduna mathangi round se koi chathadana ba tawjarage round 4 have the buzzer round. Aduna team A, B amasung C get ready. Buzzer round yam interesting over round ni isa gi table do da laibiriba yellow gi button do da koina khut thamaga ngairaga laibi horo maram di ko gi buzzer round sida ihan hana number duna ko gi answer pibagi chance do ko gi khwaidagi hana thuna number do da team do da piga dawrini ko gi team A B amsung C da question mari show tawjagani question mari asi team ama khakta da natana pulap to oigani ko gi direct question laite any akhangba ma yaropa team duna khumbiba yai team duna karigumba khumbiraga akoina answer do right correct oiramba taraga di koi team duda 10 points akoina allot tawjagani aduga karigumba lalamba taragana -5 have the negative points laidi aduna yam section na khumbiyo aduga button do nam khraba matungda akoina khallaga leiba adu yade mathangi team akoina second oina click tawgiba team do akoina chance adu pijagani aduna hek namaba matungda yam athuba batam hadi fraction of seconds akoi answer do khumbina ba team do the ningsing jari aduna please be alert and get ready yare ko team ABC buzzer round hobo yare ko ready aduna buzzer round se honno ba tawjarage. We have the question on the screen that is 1 2 3 and 4, so I'll be choosing a question. So as soon as I read out a question do hek read out tawba loiraba matungda buzzer do press tawbiu question aina paba loi jingai da buzzer do press tawbiganu aduna get ready laibiro. So I'll first choose a question that is we'll start with ngasai dagi 3 dagi hogimna 3 dagi dum hogjarage. So let us start with question number 3. We have the question on the screen. So your question is, Madagascar group of islands are surrounded by which ocean? So you can start. Madagascar group of islands are surrounded by which ocean? Okay, team B. Atlantic Ocean is not the right answer. I'm so sorry. Adana hariba question is the passed on questions laitavani na ko answer do dum haidok charage yam lubadi manba adubu Madagascar group of islands answer do yengo tam yam lai lem do ni ko. So let's have the answer on the screen. The answer is Indian Ocean. So it is a very simple answer but quite a complicated question have dare ko yam luhan ma manba adugumani. So team B mathangda dum question ahum lady team B point adum make up tawba yakini aduna let's keep on trying. We still have left 3 questions on the options, so we'll start with question number 1 for the second question. So we have the question on the screen: which gas is evolved from the paddy fields and marshes? Okay, team B, team A, I'm sorry, team A.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen is not the right answer. I'm so sorry. Okay. Team A ge answer adu lan kre aduna I'm so sorry to tell you it is the wrong answer. Adubu team B na so muk try tawgen honai du team A na hana chance adu lograbani team B na karigumba khangam mataraga su ko chance du team B da pibagi khudong chaba du leijadre aduna we'll go to the next question and give you a second chance have the adu do ina yam thuna khumbirak na ba ningsing jari hariba question adu ge answer the right answer is methane aduna yam live sisu yam live answer yeng kan da yam live mani question da bu manga aduna team A, B, C, ready libero. We still have 2 more questions. But the question is still question number 2. The question number 2. Please be alert. We have the question on the screen. So which mosquito carries the microphone? Okay. Question adu aina hojik haijage biduni question pathokpa loirakanda buzzer number on haibani adu team A ga B gi amana team A na di hana buzzer se namthokre aduga team B sina answer ama khumaki answer du chumba lanba I knowledge leite ai buzzer round ni na koi buzzer ahan ma number du da hana chance pi ga da bani na koi team A do ina chance pi jage team A please answer.
Female Anopheles mosquito.
Okay, Female Anopheles mosquito is the answer given by Team A. So let's check the answer if it is right or wrong. Yes, it is correct. That is female Anopheles mosquito. Haiba mosquito is in a malaria chain, but mosquito type to ni na hajabani. So we'll have to give the answer. I mean the points to Team A. Duna Team B answer the chumno kumbiro patarga so bazar hana number duna hena maru oesigi round. So that we only have one more question left on the screen. So sisu Team A B C ahumak na yam khangaga leirambo orambo suya duna ready oina leibiro hanba bazar number do da chance do pb ga doini aduga please keep it on mind that aina question pathukpa loibaga namgadabani aduna marakta da nampada handakti khoi adugi chance do pizaroi aduna. So let's get ready. We have the question 4 on the screen. So who was the first to reach South Pole? Okay, Team C.
Robert E. Peary.
Robert E. Peary. Okay, it is not the right answer. Mana North Pole, the first person to reach North Pole. Ni aduga South Pole the mana te aduna. Team C. Okay, I'm very sorry to tell you it is wrong. The right answer is Roald Amundsen. So we have the answer on the screen also. So Captain Roald Amundsen haribanupa sina South Pole the first in 1911 da reached Tokiba dugumba nupa ni hai tare ko aduna. Team A, B and C am interesting over buzzer round see yam phajana honna bihi aduna. Team A ga B ga C ahumaki position hozik kadai da lai bage have do mayam punna khangmina si maramdi mathangi round 5 asida isana laiba position do digi kya makeup to boy ai se kari position da karamba position da lairi have do khangbiraga mathangi round asida chachajana ba aduna. We have the score on the screen. That is we still have Team C lagging behind with just 5 points. That is Lamjing Meira Sindam Sang Porabina 5 points pangna third position da hozik lairi aduga Team B with 15 points. St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Shanghai Pros in a second position with 15 points, and Team A Little Flower School Shanghai Pro A team asina 40 points phangduna hozik lead tawduna chatle aduduna akogi fifth round asidadi Team A se khumanda bi bin B ga seasonal loina ma khumna ba hona biro haidi lairiba question sing asi khumba loina ma ngamba taraga di bonus points ju phangba taraga di lead tawba yariba aduguma position ni aduna yam khena banate hona ba yari. We still have round 5. So let us start round 5. Hariba round 5 asisu direct questions ni direct questions sing akoi team sing da isagi question select honduna akoi question sing asigi answer do 10 seconds manung da pb gani. The right answer will give 10 points, and for the bonus answers, that is the passed on questions, we have to give just 5 points. Aduna get ready for the 5th round, that is current affairs round. Akogi direct question asi akoi hama Team B da hana chance pizza get Team B 1 2 3 and 4 option gi manungda ama choose to. Question number 2 choose to be Team B na. Let us have the question on the screen. How many women MPs have been elected for the 17th Lok Sabha elections 2019? Your countdown will start now. 17th Lok Sabha elections 2019 the women MP masing kaya select tokige kaya elect tokige haibani. 23 is not the correct answer, so we'll have to pass the question to Team C. Team C, your countdown will start now.
19.
19 is also not the correct answer. Lastly, we'll give the chance to Team A. Team A, you have the same question and your countdown has already started.
6.
6 is not the right answer. I don't know. The correct answer is 70 and 8. So in the khwaidagi yamba oinasu thomgadrana khalle have the women MP se kogi 17 Lok Sabha 2019 to the 78 masing elect tauki. And so the next direct question goes to Team C. Team C 1 3 and 4 manung the option number choose to biro.
1.
Question number 1. So your question is Which country is the host for the official World Tourism Day celebration in 2019? The countdown will start now.
India.
India. Yarabo. Okay, so the answer India is correct. The team C has given the right answer. India, the 27th September World Tourism Day is the India New Delhi the pangthok tuna koi India na host tawki ko. The team C will get the direct points for the question. So the last question goes to team A. Team A, the options left are 3 and 4. Please choose your question.
3.
Question number 3. Your question is, which IT company's nickname is the Big Blue? Your countdown will start now. IT company karamba Big Blue had a nickname thon by IT company. Do you maming tao have any? Your time is up, so we have to pass on the question to team B.
IBM.
IBM. A correct answer is IBM. The full form di kang bire ko? Kang die. Okay, it's okay. So IBM, the full form is International Business Machines. International Business Machines aikogi multinational IT company ni adugumba 170 countries that minus spread tawkraba masagi branch layer ba IBM am chawbu company ni. That's why they are called the Big Blue. Then that was all for the 5th round, that is current affairs and IT round. Team B amsung C answer kumbi kre aduna hojik karamba positions ta lagi habdong hakki matungna mayam puna khangminaragani. So we'll have to see who has won Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 Episode 5. Aduna screen da koigi top scorer habding asigi Team A, B amasung C da kanana khwaidagi am score tawduna episode 5 asigi winner oikrage habdo mayam punna khangminasi. So here we have Team B amasung Team C 5th round the answer khumduna yam kan hona khed, but we still have the leading team, that is Team A. Congratulations, you are the winner. Little Flower School Shanghai Pro A gi team asina episode 5 Brainwave Quiz 2019 season 1 gi episode 5 habdi pool E gi season pool E hariba pool asigi winner oiduna mathangi round second round qualify tawre aduna mathangi round kisu phajana prepare tawbiduna chathajaraga top scorer oibina ba team A the ningsingjari, and Team B and C mathangi season so lady season do the lapiraga akogi adum lapio yam phajana so honna ki kesu sontha banate aduna ke haitare ngasigi episode Brainwave Quiz 2019 season 1 episode 5 asigi mapung phan biuge damakta Team B amsung Team C St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School Shanghai Pro amsung lamjing meira sindam sang pora bibu haningai leitana thagachari, and congratulations to Little Flower School Shanghai Pro Team A. So that was Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 Episode 5. Thank you so much for watching this extension program. You're watching Impact TV.